Here's how to set up your rain barrel, brought to you by Green Calgary. Start by laying the barrel on its side. Attach the brass tap. Hand tighten until snug. Place your barrel on a sturdy stand about 1 to 2 feet off the ground. To collect rainwater, you will likely need to cut your downspout. Including the stand, you want the downspout to end at least 3 inches above the mesh opening on top of your barrel. And don't forget to keep the piece you cut. Now it's time to add your top pieces. Make sure you screw the bung lid into the bung hole and install the overflow adapter and the end cap. To direct overflow away from your house or connect more than one barrel, use a hose kit. You can cut it to length and then put it onto your barrel overflow adapter. Choose a location that makes sense for your yard. Think about how close it is to your garden, where your downspouts are, and how much rain your roof will catch. Clean your gutters at the start of the season or hire help if needed. Clear gutters help prevent clogs and keep your water flowing smoothly. For end of season prep, check out our Winterize Your Barrel guide. Thanks for watching!